Hey everybody, welcome to day 3 of PIO. It was Define Upper Body today, and it was fairly short. It was a little under 30 minutes, and it kind of sneaks up on you. Like for most of it, you kind of feel like, oh, this doesn't really feel like an upper body workout because you're doing a lot of upper core and torso moves, and then towards the end, she starts moving you into some push-ups, and you go, oh, now I feel the upper body stuff. And so it's kind of a sneaky one. So it'll give you some confidence, and then you'll be like, oh, it got me. So, but it was good. I liked it. I do want to mention that she talks about your wrist flexibility, and I did notice that in some of the dynamic moves, she has you do hands on the ground, and then you swing your leg up underneath you, and then you switch from side to side. And what she wants you to do is move your weight into your feet more than your wrist. And I find that that's been a little difficult, and I need to practice that a little bit. But I did notice that I had some issues with the flexibility in my wrists. So this is going to probably come up a few times when we're doing a lot of the plank type moves. So it's more of a flexibility than a strength issue. So you'll want to do some wrist curling and some back and forth things, and take a break if your wrists are really hurting, or you like feel a real sharp pain through yours. Sometimes you kind of hit a nerve. So really protect your wrists, but they will get better with the practice. So this is day 3. And I think I'm really liking this so far. So we'll see how you think and what you feel about it as well. So good luck for today, and watch your wrists and take breaks when you need it. Watch out, she's sneaky.